Hi scholars! Today we are talking about elements. You read a long text about elements and you came up with a definition. So elements are the pure substances that make up everything in this world around us. So actually right now scientists know about 90 naturally occurring ones. For example, we have like copper, we have iron, aluminum, all of these are elements. But a lot of times you can also find them mixed together that make up basically everything around you, from water to the pencil to everything around you is made up of elements. And so today we are going to be practicing organizing these elements based on specific characteristics. And so when we talked about those little particles, we're actually going to name them as atoms. And so each atom is a basic type of element. So an atom is just the basic little particle, but there are different types, and those are the elements. Today we are working with 14 and we're going to organize them. You're going to receive, well, I can't give it to you, but virtually you are going to see little cards like this that you are going to organize, like I mentioned, based on its characteristics, properties. Physical properties as well as chemical properties. So let's go ahead and look at what does this element little card actually tell us. So first it's going to tell us the element symbol. It is usually 1 to 2 letters and then its name. So this is hydrogen. You know that there's, H2O is water, so that's hydrogen. The H stands for hydrogen. Then the first 4 talk about its physical properties, whether or not it is a metal or a non-metal. At room temperature, what form does it take? Is it a solid, gas, or liquid? As you can see, hydrogen is gas. Also, in its most commonly found form, what color is it? Does it have color? As you can see, hydrogen actually doesn't have any color, it's colorless. Then you get to atomic mass. Atomic mass is not measured in grams or milligrams or anything like that you learned, like for example in math class, pounds, anything like that. It is so small that they actually came up with their own unit, which is atomic mass units. So the atomic mass of hydrogen is just 1. And then the next 2 are going to be chemical properties. The first one is reactivity. How reactive is it when you put it with other elements chemically? And the last one is number of bonds to hydrogen. We'll get into that a little bit later. What does a bond like that mean? But as of right now, each element will have a specific number of bonds that it makes with hydrogen. So you are going to get 14 of those. As you can see here, I have all 14. And you are going to try to group them based on these characteristics. For example, a non-metal versus metal. Oh, these look like these are metals, so I'm going to put these here. Oh, that's a non-metal. Those are already 2 different groupings. I want you to try to come up with at least 3 different groups based on their characteristics. You're going to just drag them and drop them in our Google Doc, and then later in our Zoom class, we are going to talk about how are these actually organized by scientists. Good luck!